Dear all, Santanam Nagarajan, Namaste.
Script, Research, Creation and Presentation by Santanam Nagarajan. What is memory and how you can increase your memory power? Part 4. The memory by another classification is divided as sensory memory, short-term memory and long-term memory. Short-term memory is also termed as working memory or recent memory. Recent memory is what enables us to hold a telephone number while we dial it, and even then we usually have to renew the trace by repeating to ourselves. This may last as little as 10 seconds. Long-term memory is a warehouse in which information is stored for considerable periods. In order to boost the memory, there are many techniques. Using your vision is brilliant for boosting your memory. About 40% of the brain is devoted to vision more than any other function. If you can find a way to make something visual, it is bound to be remembered better. One of the best memory tools involves conjuring a visual memory of a familiar place such as your home or garden. You then imagine each individual thing you want to remember and mentally place them in different locations within the familiar place. As you review what you want to remember, for example, to buy vegetables and juice, you imagine each item at a specific position in your chosen place. Later, if you take a mental walk around your familiar place, you will find that you bump into the things you need to recall. Gordon Rattray Taylor, in his book The Natural History of Mind, quotes Professor Ralph Norman Haber's experimental studies. Haber exposed 2,560 slides showing a range of photographs to volunteers at the rate of 1 every 10 seconds. The subjects were then shown 280 pairs of pictures, one of which was drawn from the series already seen, the other similar in nature but unfamiliar. Asked to say which of the two was familiar, the subjects were right 9 times out of 10. Even when the familiar pictures were shown reverse, left for right, scores declined only slightly. These results suggest, Haber comments, that recognition of pictures is essentially perfect. The results would probably have been the same if you had used 25,000 pictures instead of 2,500. Visual memory is one effective way to boost your memory.
Thank you very much for your patient hearing. Have a nice day. Goodbye, Santanam Nagarajan.